Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. Today is a very special day. Today is actually my birthday, January 6th. So this is very, very exciting. I love my birthday. I actually usually try to get together with friends and family all throughout the week. Of course, this year that's a little bit different, but we can get together virtually, which is always fun. Today is really special, not only because it is my birthday, but also because we are going to be picking a winner from our Gameshow Collaboration giveaway that we did with Lee and Jeremy Masse from Masse Art Studios. So that was really fun. They were so awesome to have here and just be able to play together with other artists and hear their opinions and their thoughts and, you know, different suggestions from them. And also the whole action of having someone else layer your cup or pour your cup was such a different experience for me, especially as my control freak tendencies. That was very, very, there was a lot of trust involved. Let's just put it that way. But they did a beautiful job, and I'm so grateful to them to come see us and to play with us. That was just awesome. So let's get started with this, and then I will show you when we pick the winner from the random comment picker. Okay. So happy to be here with you guys today, to be able to be outside in the sun and in the air, even though it's a little bit cold out here. So today we're going to be pouring on an 18 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Michael's Artist Loft. I have taped the back and put my push pins in. We're going to use that, and I'm going to show you my colors real quick. These are the same colors I just did in a pour previously, but in doing that, saw some things and want to change things up a little bit, so I'm going to change how I layer my cup. This first one is Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet. My paint is all mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium and the paint and the Floetrol. I usually start with 2 ounces of pouring medium, the Liquitex Gloss Medium, then I add about 1 ounce of paint, and I add between 6 to 10 ounces of Floetrol, depending on how thick the paint is, depending on how thick the Floetrol is, and to get the consistency that I want for the pour that I want to do. So if I want to do a ring pour, I'll mix it a little thicker. If I want to do a straight pour or a swipe or something like that, I would mix it thinner. So that's the Permanent Red Violet. This one is also Amsterdam. This is their Brilliant Blue, which is a beautiful color. I really like this one. Some very cool properties to it. This one is their Prussian Blue, which I really, really like. I love what this does next to the gold too. This is our DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. And this last one is DecoArt Americana Decor Satin Enamels in pure white. Okay, so the last one I used a split cup and I had white on both sides, and a lot of the painting has a lot of white in it, and I love where there's the Prussian Blue and the Permanent Red Violet mixed together is really, really cool. So I kind of want to play with those two more with just accents of the white rather than a lot of white. So I think I just want to use a regular cup today. So let's layer this. Let's see. I want to put just a tiny bit of gold in the center. Not a lot at all. That's enough. And also just a tiny bit of white. That's enough. Okay, so now we're going to put some of the Prussian Blue in. And I'm going to put a tiny bit of gold in there between these two. And I'm going to put some of the Permanent Red Violet in. And then some of that Brilliant Blue. A bit more. Go back to the Prussian again. I'm going to put a bit of white in between. So I'm literally just using the white as a separator to give it some contrast and allow it to pop. Put some gold next to that Permanent Red Violet because it's very pretty. Another bit of white. This time I'm going to put some of the Brilliant Blue in now. And some more of the Prussian Blue. And now some gold. A little bit of white. Back to the Permanent Violet. I really like the Prussian Blue on top of that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's stop there. Okay. So, let's pour into a puddle of gold. Then we're going to go over here. We're going to do a ring pour. Are you ready, darling?
I am indeed, my love.
My husband, awesomeness. Here we go. Cool. Okay. I think we need a little bit more paint than that on here. Maybe we'll do another smaller ring. Let's layer the cup one more time because I like what's happening in there. There's still some white and gold in the bottom of that, so I'm not going to put any more in. I'm just going to put a layer of our Prussian Blue and a nice layer of the permanent red violet because I love that. A little bit of gold, just a smidgen of white for some contrast. We're going to come back to the brilliant blue this time, even though that is very prevalent right there. There's some really cool cells in here. Okay, Prussian blue again. This is almost empty. White, a little bit of gold. Ooh, that was a lot of gold, but this is like towards the end of it anyway, so that's okay. Some magenta, a splash of white, and a splash of the brilliant blue again. Let's see if we have any more of this we can get out of the cup. Pretty good. All right, let's pour a little puddle of gold over here. Now we'll pour this one. We'll move it over this way. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love, I am indeed.
Pretty. It's coming out of the boat.
Saw you reverse direction there at the end.
I did. Sneaky. Tricky. Okay, my little sticky stick. Just want to smooth out this line right here. Okay. So, I'm going to grab my white and thin this out and use this as a flow extender. There's probably enough paint on here at the moment, but I don't want to lose my edges. Which one do you like better? The big one or the little one?
I like the little one a little bit better, a tiny bit better.
go ahead and anchor this corner. Oh, let's torch it.
I like that you don't have flow extender between the two.
Yeah.
I like that they're merging.
Flowers in the paint. Okay, here we go. Gonna go down off that bottom edge first. Find the way to the paint. Come back. I'm gonna move down this way as we come back. Off that bottom corner too. And come back to the center. Turn it around so you guys can see. There's a lot of paint on here. Probably didn't need the flow extender. Let's go back down to that bottom corner now.
Hindsight is always 20/20, my love.
Well, I'd rather have a little bit extra paint on there anyhow. So that's pretty cool. I like all that. I like those lines in the middle. I could take some of this off, but I don't really want to. There's still a little bit too much paint on here. What should we lose?
The side towards me.
This side?
Yeah.
I like that though.
Don't.
I kind of like that too.
Can you go that way to make that line a little more diagonal? Towards that corner?
Yeah. I don't like this at all now. Take that off. Just stretch out this one. That's cool. I like that. Still a lot of white over here. I love this area here with that darker Prussian blue. Okay. Do you think you like it?
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Alright, that's pretty cool. I'll wipe my hands off and we'll torch it one more time. Alright, so that's awesome. That's cool. I see over here where the Prussian Blue mixed with the gold. That should be really cool when it dries. I like the brilliant blue with the white and then just a little bit of the permanent violet in there. Permanent red violet is giving it a very warm pink tone with the gold in here and these little bit of stripes on here. This is very cool. These kind of big pebbly cells, and it's selling up a lot over here. So I think this is going to be awesome. So I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Okay. So this is a few days later, and it's dry now. Hello, Zen! He's come to visit. So, this one turned out really cool. I really like this one. That was the ring pour that we did, that we stretched out a lot. Very cool stuff. Beautiful colors in here. That permanent red violet is so pretty. And the Prussian blue, and the gold, and the titanium white. Pretty stuff. Beautiful lines in here, and I love all that selling that's happening. Very soft. Very happy. Beautiful bright colors. Sorry, we lost the sun for today. But this turned out really, really cool. I really like this one. So, now we are going to take you guys inside and we will go pick a winner for our giveaway. Okay, we are getting ready to pick our winner. We have our YouTube random comment generator up, and we have put in our URL. It's telling me there are 370 commenters. So we're going to go ahead and start the raffle now. Go ahead, HOA. Let's see, you have to get the comment right, the order right. Jeremy, Mina, and Lee. Tracy Zimmerman. Very good, that is correct. So we're actually going to give away 3 paintings tonight. So HOA, if you would be so kind as to pick another winner. And the second one we're giving away goes to, let's see. Oh, sorry. Oh, wait, no, he did answer, but he didn't get the answer right. Sorry, Nate. It was not Mina, Lee, Jeremy. It was Jeremy, Mina, and Lee. So, one more. Patricia Williams. Lee, Mina, and Jeremy. No, I am sorry. That is not correct. Time enough. Did you comment? The Tiny Torture Country song. So much for 3 for 3. Absolutely free. Love it. Thanks. Where's your... Oh, you didn't comment on it. Time enough. I'm sorry. Tina! Jeremy, Mina, and Lee. Okay. Tina is our friend over in Ireland. She is such a sweetheart. And we have one more to give away. So we're actually going to give away 3 paintings. One more HOA, if you please. And the last one goes to Art for Soul. Let's see. Lee, no, I'm sorry. That is not correct.
Oh, no.
Sorry. Teresa Kendall. Jeremy, Mina, and Lee. This is correct. Yay! Congratulations, Teresa Kendall. And this was a lot of fun. Thank you guys all so much for participating. I hope you guys like these giveaways, because I kind of do. They're pretty fun. So we'll probably be doing more of them in the future. Okay, let's get back to our video now. Congratulations, guys. So this was a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for being here with us today. We really appreciate all of you. Bye-bye.